In this Mac tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AirDrop to quickly share files with other Apple devices. Now, I don't have a Mac myself, but I'll guide you through the steps so you can follow along easily. First, make sure the device you want to AirDrop to is either in your contacts or has AirDrop set to everyone in its discovery settings. On your Mac, open Finder and check your sidebar. If you don't see AirDrop, go to the View menu, select Sidebar, and ensure AirDrop is checked in your favorites. Next, open the AirDrop window. At the bottom, you'll see Allow me to be discovered by. Choose Everyone for the easiest setup. On the receiving device, do the same so it's discoverable. Now, there are two ways to send files. You can drag and drop a file, folder, or image directly onto the person's name in the AirDrop window. The recipient may need to accept it unless they're in your contacts. The other way is to right-click any file, go to Share, and then select AirDrop. A list of nearby devices will appear. Just click on the person or device you want to send to, and the file will transfer. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily share files between Macs, iPhones, or any other Apple devices using AirDrop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mac tips and tutorials.